A dyma ni yn y de, a dyma ni yn y de yn dala diwedd penderfyniad yr Eboles o'r Dwyflwydd yn yr adranc wi Rob Jones nôl yn cadw cwmni i Owen Griffiths. Owen, Nicola Jones wedi bod yn daclus yn ei dewis.
Ie, Copathon, Glitz and Glamour yw'r Eboles yma, eiddo i David Newsom. Dwi'n meddwl i hon ennill yma llynedd hefyd, y tad wedyn Donis Dick Turpin a'r fam Copathon Special K.
Do, wy'n credu fe enillodd hi, ac fe enillodd i Sioe fe'r Llambed y flwyddyn hyn. So dachrau da. Canol David wrth ennill fan hyn y gorau o'r Eboles Dwyflwydd.
Yn wir, ac yn ail wedyn, Eleri Walters, 30 tywysoges Ruby. Y tad wedyn synod Apollo, a'r fam Cil Maen Gwyn Catrin. Ond dyma'r enillydd. Heb yn gofio'r trydydd wedyn, Llywarch Roberts gyda Sangrig Electra. Ond diwrnod David Newsom yw i gyda Copathon, Glitz and Glamour. Mae David eitha newydd i'r adran ec. Eitha newydd i'r bryd hefyd, ond wedi cael llwyddiant yn gynnar iawn.
A dyma ni penderfyniad, y beirniad Nicola Jones. Y gorau o'r Eboles Dwyflwydd yw'r Eboles arbennig hyn, Copathon, Glitz and Glamour.
Yn bumed in fifth, 618, S and T.L. Jones with 30 Mary Lou. Ac yn chweched in sixth, we have 616. And this is Samantha Gowen with Shankly Showstopper. Felly, llongyfarchiad y mawr yma i'r enillydd nosbarth 53, sef Copathon, Glitz and Glamour o eiddo David.
David Newsom. 2 out of 2, I believe.
I know, I'm very lucky, very fortunate, yeah.
Would you say you were a little bit more prepared maybe this year than last year?
Well, I asked the question, can I take Lowry in with me? But yeah, I felt a bit more comfortable this year.
Well, of course, last year was the first time, I believe, that you were showing up here in the in-hand section, and Lowry Reid of the Tingundon Stud was very helpful to you in the ring.
She certainly was, yeah. I'd only done 5 shows in my life before that show, and when we got pulled up, I didn't know where to face or what to do, so she helped me, yeah.
And a win last year, a win this year. What does the future hold for this filly now?
I don't know, to be honest. You know, obviously, hopefully have another good year with her next year. And then we've got our own stallion now, so maybe we'll start trying to breed some foals and see where it takes us, yeah.
Well, many congratulations from all of us here. Our fob luck. Good luck for the rest of the week.
Thank you.